feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To install a dimmer switch for LED lights, follow these steps. 1. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the existing switch plate and switch. 3. Disconnect the existing wires. 4. Connect the wires to the new dimmer switch. Typically, black for hot, white for neutral, and green or bare for ground. 5. Secure the switch in the wall box and attach the faceplate. 6. Turn the power back on and test the dimmer. Always consult the installation manual and consider hiring a professional if unsure.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.